which will empower us to learn the knowledge and the skills required to create profitable and marketable apps. Our speaker is someone that we are all familiar with. He's a guru when it comes to AI and chat GPT stuff. And he's someone that has demonstrated valuable practical knowledge of the topic for tonight. So without much ado, I'm going to hand you over to Mr. Yinka Taiwo, who is joining us from South Africa. Mr. Taiwo is the founder and the CEO of Pool of Wealth Projects, an IT startup that's focused on empowering people with knowledge that is required to be successful and to be financially okay when it comes to digital products and services. Mr. Yinka, you have the floor. I will not be actively available tonight due to an equally important business meeting, which is about going on now. So please, my sincere apologies, but I'm with you and I would be communicating via messages in the chat room. I once again welcome you to this event. Mr. Chaiwo, please.
Welcome everybody to this webinar, and I'm super excited to be here tonight, and we are going to learn a lot of things tonight. My objective and aim tonight is to see if you can create 2 apps and deploy it, which you'll be able to do yourself on your, but by the time you follow me, you'll be able to do, we'll first do one. If you have time, we'll do another one. And that's what we want to do tonight. But first of all, I want to quickly show us what we can achieve with having app business, what we can achieve with it. I have 10 reasons why everybody should go into app business today. Please, are you seeing my screen? Is everybody seeing my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, great. I can see a lot of people coming tonight. Thank you so much. I'll mention your name later. I can see my friend from Canada, see my friend from Nigeria. You're all welcome. So what we are going to do, there are 10 reasons for app business. And let me quickly run that before we create our app. We don't have time. Our timekeeper is here. Tonight, we will be able to guide us from timing to how many apps can we create within 1 hour. We can create as many as possible, but how many can we create and deploy? So now let's go. So the number 1 reason is, I want to rush this one, is that we have low startup costs. No need to rent a physical location, hire large start, or invest in inventory upfront. What we need to do when we want to start this kind of business, you have low startup. I was surprised yesterday when I was chatting with ChatGPT that I want to create a video app that we just put a prompt and it will generate a video for you and you post it online. And ChatGPT gave me $50,000 to start it by hiring a lot of people and this. And I said, no, I'm not going to hire anybody. ChatGPT, I want us to do this thing together. It's a DIY project. How much is going to cost me? And ChatGPT now gave me that everything I will need, because I have to pay for API and everything, is $500. That I'll be able to create an app. That app is, when I create it, I'll be able to, you just put prompt. You want to create a video, you just put the prompt of the video you want to put. And immediately you click, straight away, your video is ready to be posted. So that is the first thing. It's low startup. Low startup. Then you have wide customer reach. You can search a global audience instead of being limited to a local customer base. A friend of mine was telling me, he said, no, you have to go to in Nigeria. I said to him, go and do what? He said, I want to open a big office for you in Lagos so that you'll be able to train people on this AI thing. I was laughing. I said, you are still thinking of old school. I don't need to be in Lagos to train people. I said, my 30-day challenge students, I have from Canada, from UK, from US, from India, from all over. So I said, I don't need to be in Lagos. That is the beauty of this kind of business. You don't need, you are, like I was telling him, I said, the way I am, I can live anywhere in the world because I'm not location based, because my business is global. My business is in the cloud. And when you are doing a cloud business, you are not location based. You can stay anywhere and you still be making your money. You'll be making your dollar. Now let's quickly look at this one also. Is there availability? Availability, that means sorry, let me move this thing up. Or let me move it here. Okay, good. So app operate around the clock. Allow customer to engage with your business anytime. When you have launched your app, you'll be sleeping. Some people are working with your app. They are downloading your app all over the world, 24/7. You are not limited. You can scale it. Scalability, expanding a app business is easier and cheaper than open new physical location. You know, if I have a restaurant here now, if I want to scale my restaurant business, I have to go and build one in somewhere else. I have to do location, start everything up front. You know, all things like this Ile in Lagos, they have one in Ibadan. So you are carrying it like that. But with this business, you don't need to do that. It's already there. Just scale it from where you are. You don't need to physical location to stay in. I quickly want to run this so that we're able to. Then lower overhead costs, no expenses for rent, utilities, or maintaining store food. You can start this business in the comfort of your own room. You'll be operating everything in your room, and people will not know what you are doing. So you are not going to rent, like my friend that said, no, let me go and get a big office for you in Lagos so that I can be training people there. I said, no, we don't need it. I said, look at all these fintech companies. How many offices do they have? No, they don't. Everything is in the cloud. Maybe they have one base where they have a base in Lagos. You understand it? And they are making money even more than the traditional banks because everything is in the cloud. There's this bank. We have like 3 banks in this South Africa. That Time Bank, no physical location, nothing. You just go to their app, download everything. Then they just work with some supermarkets to be able to if you want to put money in there, you just go to the supermarket, put your money in the supermarket. It goes straight to the. So that's the powerful thing. That's why I was telling people you have to move. We have to be thinking AI line, or we have to be thinking globally. Then number 6, automated sales and marketing. App can integrate AI-driven chatbot, push notification, and automated marketing campaign. Everything will be done automation. You don't need to be there. You don't need to be, dancing up and down the street and, like the way they always do in the day of old when they are, selling all these things. The fastest transaction, digital payments, and in-app possession are quicker and more convenient than traditional cash or card. I'm rushing because I want us to create our app tonight. You get this video, please. Let's go to the video. I'm so eager to let us do our app straight away. So what we are going to do now is, I want you to open your ChatGPT. Are you with me? Open your ChatGPT. I want you to open your ChatGPT. Now let me stop there. Now we can check this one on the video later. Now I will send the slide to you, everybody. Now let's go to our ChatGPT. Everybody, please Open your ChatGPT. Open your ChatGPT, please. Are you there?
Yes.
Open your ChatGPT. Now let's do the magic. Kasim, please time us now. So we want to know how many minutes we will be able to create one app and deploy it. Open your ChatGPT, everybody. Let me do the. Open your ChatGPT, everybody.
The timer, sir, is there any particular time we are looking at, or I should just leave it open?
What I want to do is that you just type, you do timer now. So we'd want to see how many minutes we are going to use to create one app now. So at the end of the app, just tell us how many minutes we will spend to create it. Now you can start counting now. So are you in your ChatGPT? Okay, now let's give the ChatGPT this prompt.
Yes, I am.
Everybody, have you opened your ChatGPT? Now let's give him the prompt. I'm bad with remembering birthdays. And even in my group yesterday, I forgot to remember somebody's birthday and I didn't put it where I'm supposed to put it. So I'm going to try to ChatGPT now to create an app for me, for us. That's what you are going to do also, so that you create an app for me. The prompt is, I am bad in remember remembering birthdays. So please help me to create a birthday. Just be typing what I'm typing. A birthday reminder app with name, date, and relationship. Relationship and start reminding me, start the reminder 3 days to the birthday until the day. So please type this prompt to your ChatGPT. Please use HTML, CSS. This is the code for web development, and JavaScript. Please put this prompt. Should I read it again? Let me read it out. I am bad in remembering all the birthdays. So please help to create a birthday reminder app with name, date, and relationship, and start the reminder 3 days to the birthday until the day. Birthday until the day. Even if I don't get the correction, they will do it. Please use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If I don't tell him to use this one is easy to deploy. He's going to use a lot. The first thing, if you're going to use Python, he can use Python, but majority of us, we don't have Python on our system. He will use a lot of things. Our timekeeper tonight is a Python guru. So he's not going to use Python. We are not going to use Python. We are going to use this so that we'll be able to deploy it immediately. So you just click on go. It will start doing it now. Is it working on your own too? Please, you can unmute yourself and tell me if the code is being written.
Yes.
Okay, great.
The code is being written on my own.
Okay, great. Thanks.
My code is finished.
The code is
Your code is
written.
finished. That's
Wow,
great.
this is beautiful.
Yeah, great. I think my Wi-Fi is low. Okay, my code is finished. Now, if you look at your
Sorry, please. I'd like to draw you back a little bit. I have a little challenge with my stuff. Can you give me the prompt again? 1 minute.
I should give you the prompt again.
Yes.
Okay, I am bad in remembering birthdays.
Yeah, please help me.
So please help to create a birthday reminder app with name, date, and relationship, and start the reminder 3 days to the birthday until the day. Please use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No, our app is finished. Now let's view it. Let's preview it. Can you see? Can you see the app?
Mine is not showing that. Oh.
What's your own do?
You just show me the code. That's it.
No, there you will see a place where you have to click on review.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So now, Kazim, how many minutes did you use now to bring this one up from your timer?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, good.
5 minutes.
So your this is ready in 5 minutes. So what you are going to do is now let me quickly try it. Olayinka, put your date, your date of birth. Just put today. Relationship, friend is my friend.
Sorry, I can't find review on my code though.
You will find it is there. It's going to be there. What
preview.
Same here, so I can't find it on my code.
It's not on your code, it's on top of your what are you using? Is it phone?
Yeah,
I'm using iPad. I'm using iPad.
It should be
top,
there.
You see preview, top right.
Okay, even if it's not there, let's go to the next. Let's go to the next. Then you are going to open a notepad. You are going to open a notepad on your laptop. So what you do is Google this. You Google this notepad, rapid table notepad. First, copy. Let's copy the code. Let's copy the code.
Okay, go back to where the code is.
Yes, you copy the code. So have you copied the code? Now, go to...
No, you're supposed to say preview now. Are we going back to where the code is again?
Yes, you have to copy the code. Because we want to deploy it tonight. We want to deploy it, so I want to see how many minutes we used to deploy it. So I want to take you to the next step. So, have you copied the code?
Yes.
So now you go to your Google, search for rapidtables.com. Rapid, R-A-P-I-D tables.com. Rapidtables.com. Rapid and tables.com.
I'm lost.
Rapidtables.com notepad.
Yes.
You are too fast, though. You did not mention notepad.
I'm lost.
Notepad. Just put rapidtables.com. It will bring the notepad.
So when you send me the link, I will watch it again. I'm lost.
Okay.
Rapid what, sir?
Rapidtable.com.
Okay.
Rapid tables. Can you go rapid at the table?
Okay.
Now going to be rapidtables.com.
Okay.
So you now paste your code on the rapidtable.com. Have you done that?
On the search button?
No. What you will bring the notepad for you, then you paste it. Are you seeing my screen? Then you paste it on the notepad. You paste it on the notepad. Then you now save it.
It's safe to download folder, right?
Great. You are really.
You didn't mention that. You just said save it.
I don't need to mention.
Okay, it's everybody. It's because I am IT. This thing is everybody that
you don't need to mention it. I don't need to mention it. When you click save, it will bring you this. So you just put the birthday. Whether you are IT or not,
the file name will be birthday, right?
Yes, birthday reminder. I have one already there. So you click on save to your download. So are we winning?
I'm lost, sir.
Okay. Where are you now?
The rapidtables.com is giving me like a breakdown of the table. No, I didn't get to see any table to paste my code.
Okay, now go to file. Can you see file?
Okay, let me check.
Click on new. No, how many people are seeing my screen? The table is just below it. The notepad where you are going to, you see when in the secondary school we have notebook that they put lines. Can you see these lines like this? Are you seeing this?
No. My table is showing math calculators, miss calculators, tools, online. Should I click on the it's under the tools?
Under the tools.
Yes, under the tools.
You click notepad.
Okay, I've seen it.
You've seen it, yeah. Now paste your code.
Okay, I've pasted it. Line 1, column 1.
Aha. Now you now save it. The extension of the save, when you are saving it, the extension should be you put .html. That's the extension. Birthday, birthday. You must put that so that we'll be able to take it to the next level. Birthday reminder. Then you now put in front of it .html. It's very important. If you don't put .html, we will not be able to run it where we are taking it to.
Okay, after saving.
When you click save, you now put the name of the file .html.
Okay, when you go and download it there when you save.
Before you download it, you have to put HTML in front of the file name.
When you are saving, right? On your folder.
Yes, when you are saving it.
Okay.
You name the file birthday what?
You can name it anything, just put birthday there. But the most important thing is to put .html in front of the file name. You have to put the extension is full stop, that is .html. If you don't put it, it's not going to run.
So, should the birthday reminder be one word or can there be space?
No, just put them together. Don't put any space.
So it should just be birthday reminder, or is there going to be an HTML?
Yes, .html. If you don't put it, it's not going to run.
Okay.
You have to put it.
Okay, so I try mine and it's telling me that I can't save this file.
Why?
So after pasting, I'll go to save.
You go to file, you go to save. Now, if you tell you can't save it, you use save as. Put save as. That you can't save.
Am I saying I should download or view?
No, first before you don't view anything, just put the name .html, then you click on download.
I've done that. That's why it stated that I should view or download.
No, if you have downloaded it, look for where the file is. Now let's move forward. Are we there now? Now, one thing,
please, before we move forward, I'm lost too.
Okay, where are you?
Yes, I got it, but I don't know.
Where are you now?
I'm at the point of getting ChatGPT has given me the HTML and JavaScript code, but I don't know where to input the code into.
Oh, you have the code now.
Yes, I messaged ChatGPT.
I got my
message you gave us.
Okay.
So
you have the code.
They've generated a code for me. Yes, I have a code.
And just click.
Very long.
You click copy now.
Yes, copy. Yeah, I copied it. But where do I take the code to?
Yeah, on Pastor's screen in the browser there, rapidtables.com, right there at the top.
Okay.
Rapidtables.com.
Yes.
Rapid King, come and move at the table.
Yeah, is there on your browser, Pastor Inka? Is there right there? Is there on your screen?
Are people seeing it?
Yes, online notepad. Yes, that one.
I'm about to save now. We should add a code.
You click that online notepad,
generate a code,
and then you post it. You paste it there.
I'm lost.
Real quick.
Generate a code.
Yeah, I've done that.
Okay, so after you've done that, now you go to File.
Okay.
You go to File, then you say Save As. You give it a name. In this instance, the name is going to be Birthday App. Then you will need to add an extension. So that extension is going to be .html, one word. It's going to be one word. Birthday app,
.html.
.html, yes.
Okay, then I click on save.
Yes.
Then you click on save. Remember where you are saving it.
Okay.
Now, let's quickly move forward because we need to deploy it. We are wasting our time. We need to deploy it tonight. Or you don't want us to deploy it tonight. You don't want to know how to deploy it. Because if you deploy this one, if you have $25, you take it to Google Play. You upload it to Google Play. You start sharing it among the people, advertising it, and begin to make money through Google Adverts. Simple. This simple app. Because I want us to do one more tonight, but the way we are doing, we are not going to do more than this one tonight. But let's go and deploy it. Now,
it's prompting me birthday reminder, name, relationship. Is that where I'm supposed to be?
Have you done your code?
I saved it, birthdayapp.html.
Okay, great. Now let's move forward, everybody, so that we can deploy it tonight. Now you go to your browser, you go to site.google.com.
Okay.
So we want to put it online now.
What do you call it, sir?
Sites.google.com. Are you seeing my screen?
Okay.
What are you seeing on my screen?
Birthday reminder.
Great. So this is the site. We are going to, it's a free, if you have, because some of us might not have hosting. It's free. You want to host it here free. So that if you host it free, we will now go and turn into app. So are you
site abi as in SIT, sir?
sites.google.com.
Okay.
So you
Mine is showing me to create or edit a site, go to Google Sites or your desktop.
No, go to Google.
Just hold on.
Sites.google.com.
Saying to create or edit a site, go to Google Sites.
Google Sites on your desktop.
So you are going to register with your Gmail address account.
There was no prompt request for that. Yeah.
You are not doing any prompt in this site Google now. Just go to Google. Go to Google site. Just say Google site. Without even put you Google. Go to Google and click on and just search for Google sites. Then it will take.
And it's saying start a site. Start a site. It's not asking for you to put in your image. Just say start a.
Yes.
Start a site.
Yeah.
Yes, that is where you are supposed to be. Now we just wait for Pastor Enka to take us further.
So
then
now,
giving us
I only see to create or edit a site. You go to Google Sites on your desktop.
So that is that's
okay. Let me start afresh so that you can see me now. Can you follow me now, please? Let me start site. Okay, let me start.
Okay.
Let me just put Google Sites. You see Google Sites? Google Sites. Let's all search it together. Google Sites. It's already bringing me here. I don't want to be here. Let me remove this one. Now let's come here. Okay, good. Google Sites. Searching. Okay. So then you click on the first one you will see. So are you here now?
Yes, sir.
So you click on blank site. Blank sites.
Okay.
Click on blank sites.
Your page title.
So now title your page. I just put let the reminder.
Phone, we are having issue. Okay, your page.
Yeah, your page title. Put by birthday.
Reminder.
I'm going to draw you back. I'm still getting the same response. To create or edit a site, go to Google Sites on your desktop.
Click on it now. Just click on the Google Sites. Click on the Google Sites. So we have.
It's not clicking.
Okay. So what I need to do now is are you here now?
No.
Hello, Pastor.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Pastor.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Google Sites on phones. Those who are using phones, they may not be able to do much with Google Sites on phones.
Yeah,
I mean, when it comes to Google Sites, you may not be able to edit much on Google Sites when you are using phone.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now let's go to, you now click on embed. So now you now click embed code.
Sorry, Pastor Enka. The people using phone, they can open that site in desktop mode. If you open it in desktop mode,
even at that, they will still face challenges.
And let's let them first do it. Let them go with that first. So you
in desktop.
Please, where did you see your embed code?
On your right hand. Let me go back. This side, If you want to populate your site, look at this. You have text box, you have images, you have drive, you have embed.
Okay.
So you click on embed. Then instead of by URL, you click on embed code. Then you paste your HTML code here. In fact, I'll just bring you here straight away. So now you now click.
You can get it from your ChatGPT, right?
Yes. So you just embed it. You see, insert.
What code do we put there, sir?
You see, this is it now.
Embedded from the web. What code am I putting here, sir?
The code you copied from ChatGPT.
Yo, I'm using laptop and phone altogether.
As you use your laptop, it's easier on your laptop.
What's that code again now?
Go back to ChatGPT, just click on copy. Click on the copy. Don't carry any, if you carry anything outside that one, you'll be able to, you don't be able to. Now let's publish our site.
Are we going to fill the information, name, relationship?
Have you not done your code? Now let's publish the site now. So web address. Just click birthday.
Wait, get to that. You said embedded code. We should put in the code, and it's taking us to birthday reminder app. And I have a name, relationship, date, add birthday. So what's next now?
No,
there's a edit code.
Have you embedded your code?
Yes.
So what are you seeing now? You are seeing birthday and all these things.
Birthday reminder app, yes. They asked me to fill.
It's for us to publish the site.
So where will I get that? You say, do I insert?
On top.
No,
let me see. Let me show you. On top, are you seeing my screen? You can see this man here. Next to me is publish.
Yes, I can see.
Now click publish.
Okay.
Now you want to, so I've just put birthday on the web address, birthday reminder X, because he said so now just publish it. Voila. Our site is ready.
So the web address, you have birthday reminder. What's next? It's saying this is a great address, but it's already taken.
Which one? Your own?
Birthday reminder.
The web address needs to be unique. You need to create your own web address because we can't have the same website address. So you must make something different. Maybe web person can use X. You use
I use S. You can use K. You can use anything just to. So our website is ready. Now let's go and deploy it now.
So what do you take again? When you do birthday reminder, then you go to publish, right?
Yes, you click.
Do you click on request public search engine or not to display my site?
No, don't go deep into that. Just publish it first. And if you have birthday, just put another name in front of birthday. You know, I put X. You can put K, you can put O, or you can put your name, birthday reminder or anything, so that you have to be unique. So I'll publish it now. So, okay.
Yeah, you've already published. You haven't made any changes. That's why you're saying this.
Yeah, that's right. So what we need to do now is, let's go back. So since you have published it, click here, this URL. So you now let's now copy the link. So have you done that?
Where did you get the URL from?
Yeah.
Up.
Yeah.
in the search bar.
Make sure you publish it. Then you copy publish site link. Now let's go and talk to app straight away. Now, you now go to, this is my water reminder app. I've created a lot of apps. So you now go to web into app.com. Web into app.com. Web into app.com. So this is it. Are we in webintoapp.com?
Yes, we are, but Sam, maybe you should log out so we see, because you've already logged in. We are seeing something different to what you're saying. I know when you're just new on the website, get started, watch video.
Get started, watch video.
Oh, okay.
Turn your e-commerce into a web mobile app for 100.
Yeah, are you there now? Are you seeing my screen?
Where? Yeah.
Kasima, do you see my screen now?
I don't know why you are right at where you are.
Yes, we can see your screen, but do we need to create an account? Are we logging in? You've already logged in.
Okay, are you here now? Are you in web into app?
Yes, we are we are there.
No, we are not where you are now.
So, where are you?
You need to log out so that we can be on the.
I need to. What do you mean I need to log out?
You're already there, so you're already far ahead of what we are seeing.
No, I'm not far. What you need to do is to copy your URL on Google site. Copy the URL, just copy it and hold on to it. Click on it and hold on to it. Okay, let me go back. Copy your URL and hold on to it. Just copy your URL.
We are not exactly on this page that you are.
We
are on like a start page for that webintoapp.com. So we have turned your blog into a mobile app for Android and iOS.
And this is this is where we are. You here now?
So what do we click on from here? We have get started. We are not where you are.
Pastor Yinka, you need to log out so that we are on the landing page, on the home page. So we don't know, do we create an account? Do we log in? We are on the website, but you have already logged in. Just log out.
Okay.
Then we will see what you are seeing.
Okay. Let me go back to, let's go to Google. Let's go to Google.
Why is it not valid?
Are you seeing the Google now?
Yes.
Now, web into app. So just click on it. Then click on the first one. So let's click on it. Okay, this is where all of you are.
Exactly.
Okay, then click on get started now.
I'm not even there. My code says invalid. Check link and try again.
Your code. That means you've copied something. Copy something you're not supposed to copy.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you've copied something. You have to go back to ChatGPT. Make sure you did not copy anything apart from the code from the beginning to the end. So,
okay.
So you click on get started. So here we are. So are you here now?
The reminder.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everybody's here now. Great. So your URL, you now paste it here. So you now put the app name, birthday, reminder. Version 1. My company. What's the name of your company? You put the name of your company. Pool of wealth. Put the name of your company. Now you go to Canva, but we don't have time for that tonight. You go to Canva and create logo, but let's leave it like this, so that you'll be able to you create a logo 512.
There's a next arrow. I need to touch the next arrow or what?
Yes, go to the next arrow.
Mr.
Go to the next arrow.
I think you're just moving ahead of everyone. Take it easy.
No, we are here now. Is everybody here now?
You not mention go to next arrow. You just said Canva. After you said putting your company name.
No, I said
say go to the next.
Go to Canva tonight. I want you to do icon for it, but the time, so we can still publish this thing. I want us to publish. So you go to click on next. Can you click on next? Can you click on next now? Can we click?
Yes.
Okay, click on next. Okay. Now we want to do it for free. Free only give you an Android app. But if you pay $89, you are going to create iOS and Android, but we don't need, you can start, if you don't have any money, you can start your app with free with the Android. So you now click make app. Don't click the dedicated Android and iOS app. Just click free Android app. Just click make app. So now you now put your name. Are we here now?
Yes.
There you put your email address. Put your email address. Put your password. Put your password.
I need to catch up, sir. I just my.
Have you clicked on next?
I was just able to put my link now, and it went through.
Great.
Embedded from the web, embedded code. So I'm behind now. Web page.
Okay, you are still in Google site.
Yes, I just put on my my code now, okay. And it accepted it. So I need to move forward. I don't know what to do next after the code.
Just when you put in the code, what do you see?
Embedded from the web, embedded code, web page, birthday reminder preview.
Did you see the birthday reminder interface?
No, sir.
What did you see?
I just saw a blank page, says show, what is this now? Show dynamically updating site page. Then this one says birthday reminder preview, cancel insert, made with ChatGPT.
Let's move forward. We'll go back there, please. I want to quickly do this. So just hang on there. We'll go back. Don't worry. So you click on register. Everybody, are we here? Click on register. So it's now doing it's now creating the app. What's this saying? So your app is now being built online. This may take a quick minute. That gateway.
So fún ẹ kó wá fún wa lóúnjẹ now.
So are we winning on this app thing? Somebody, your app will have finished now.
Yes.
Mine is showing same thing as yours, bad gateway.
Eh? Bad gateway. Why is it giving back gateway?
I'm getting 502 bad gateway.
Let's see.
I said I got error getting categories.
My own is done. So retry it again. So my app is done. Our app is done. So please try it again. If you get 502 or less. So
try it again. Me, I don't even know how you got here. I cannot even remember all the steps. So I think you need to document all these steps so it's easier for one to try it if one is lost.
You send the video to me, don't worry. Now the lady that said is still in they're still in Google Sites.
Yes, I bet the reminder.
I've gone back now. So
okay, sir.
Are you seen this on your thing?
Oh no, sir.
So when you click on embed, did you click on this place?
Yes, I clicked on this place and I put my link, then it showed me
no, don't put link. Don't put link. You click on embed code.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, you put your code here. Yes. Don't put the link. You put on your embed code. Kazim, how many minutes did you do to deploy our
embed code?
We are now on 41 minutes.
If that is because we are going back and forth. If not, it's
no. Be much faster.
Our this thing is done. So let me just teach you how to download it, then how to put it on your phone. Then you have to find the birthday reminder. So if you have $25, just pay Google. You publish it on Google Store. Then you start giving it to people. If you don't have time, I will have shown you how to put adverts on it. So I think this is where we're going to stop tonight. I want to take questions. So have you put this thing on the embed code now? Madam?
Yes, sir.
So what do you see? You just click on next.
So where do we view the app?
Say what?
Where do we view the app that's been created?
Same thing I'm about to ask. How do we download it? Where do we see it?
Let me go. You know, this is the app now. Have you seen it? Are you
yes, I think I said yes. Yes.
Your app is ready.
Yes.
So click on it.
Is it searchable on Play Store now?
Next, okay.
Oh, it's Play Store. Have you paid this Play Store people?
What's on my site?
You have to pay them $25.
I thought that is for iOS.
iOS is $99.
Oh, okay.
Now click on these settings. Click on the settings. Then click on download. Download your app. Click on the settings. Have you clicked on the settings?
Yes.
Yes, it says download free.
Download your app. Download free. Download the zip file. So I'm downloading it. So after downloading the zip file, what you will do what we now do is to now upload it to your drive, Google Drive. You download your app, upload it to your Google Drive, upload it to your Google Drive. So just go to your Gmail, upload it to your Google Drive.
To be able to get it on our phone?
Yes. When you now upload it to your Google Drive, I'm giving you the step-by-step now. On your Google Drive, where is my Gmail now? Okay, my drive. This is my drive. So you upload it to your drive. Everybody, if you have Gmail, you have Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive. Are you in your Google Drive? Don't worry, you get the video. You download, you upload it to your Google Drive. This is my drive. You upload, click file upload. So this is my birthday reminder zip. You upload it to your Google Drive. So it's already uploaded. So we now go to your phone, your Android phone. Go to your Android phone. You go to your drive or your Android phone. Then you now click on it. You click on it. Then it will now set, you will now click on, there are many files there, but the file that you are going to use is the APK file. Let me open it now. So when you open it, you click on the Android. So this is the one you are going to download, app release.apk. This is the one you will now click on your phone and it will download it on your phone. Then Android will say, do you trust this thing? Then you go to your this place and release it and download it. Then the app will be working straight on your phone. So you can put all the birthday of the people you always forget on it. So, and 3 days to the time, it will be reminding you. So we have deployed our app and we spend almost 50 minutes because of people they didn't get it fast. But if you watch the video will be available. I'll ask Oloye when the video will be available. The video will be available. You can watch the video and develop your own app. And you can go to ChatGPT to give you apps ideas that you, just like yesterday, I told ChatGPT, give me 10 good apps that I can create that will be giving me $2,500 per month. Give me 10. So if you give me 10, then you give you the simplest one, so that now you can now say, with the help of ChatGPT, you'll be able to create your app. Then if you are not able to do it, you can consult me anytime. Now, this is a business model for everybody because, like what I've said, you don't have inventory, you don't have all these things. If you have if you have the $89, you put it on Android and iOS. This is investment. And by the time, then you put advert on it. As many people as are downloading it, then you don't even need to sell it to them, give it to them free. When you give it to them free, when you are now watching it, because advert is there, they will be bringing adverts for them to be seen. So this is a very good business model. So, and if not for some people that I can't say you are dragging us, because some people they don't really get it the first time. Maybe I'm too fast. So what we need to do is now be, if you watch, please watch the video, and if you watch the video, you master it, you can start create simple app within 20 minutes. Deployment and everything within 20 minutes. You understand? So please, I want to take questions now before we go. When you get the video, don't worry. Thank you for coming. You've done well. And a lot of us, at least we try, and we can see it is possible. It is possible for us to be able to do this. So I want to take questions now. Please lift up your hand for questions. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, HP.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Actually, my name is Owo Ibrahim Adisa.
Okay.
So I didn't actually interfere because I actually came in 22 minutes later. So I didn't want to drag you back. But
okay.
From that 22 minutes that I joined, I was able to actually follow, and I didn't just follow the beginning, but I will rewatch the video later, like you said. And then I'm sure that it's something that I will be able to do as well, because the part that I was able to attend was very, very instructive. Thank you very much for this opportunity, sir. God bless you for that.
You're welcome, sir.
Yes, sir. So here's my question. You talked about how you are going to be making money out of it by emphasizing on the putting adverts on it. So the advert, how are we going to do that? Are we the one to be generating link for people to put in advert through that link to it, or it is an automatic process that once you launch the app on Play Store, like you said, by giving Google $25, then you launch the app on Play Store. After doing that, is it Google Play Store that will be sending the app on it, the advert on it, or is going to be passing through a particular link that will generate?
No, depending when you create the app, when you launch it, whether on iOS, on a Google Store, there's Google itself has they have something they call AdMob. AdMob is a Google product. They will, so when you have maybe 200 people that have downloaded your app, then you approach them, then they will put the advert on it. So the moment they put the advert. Okay. After that, anybody that's using the app, then they will be able to. The app will be the advert. The moment they are viewing it, Google has, but it's going to be tiny money they will give you, but there will be something. You understand it? But there's one part of it. Okay. It's not every business we have to advertise, we have to show people, we have to do this.
Yes.
So you have to you have to advertise it that app, or tell your friend, your guys.
You have to let people know about the business.
You that is always forgetting people's birthday. Go and download my app to be reminding you.
I've created a simple app for you.
Yes, you understand. So this is one of the apps. There are many apps that you can create. I've created diabetic app which I'm going to, which I'm giving out.
Yeah, I watched the video in the group.
Yes, I have diabetic app. I have like 5 apps, 6, because I created one today again. Also, there's one app on relationship that one is going to be a money spinner, which I have to put some other things. I just need to pay because I want that one to be also on iOS, and on Android.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much.
Please, can we take more questions? Let's take more questions.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening, doctor.
Yeah, thanks so much. I was able to build one.
Okay.
It's a very good process. But I would like to find out from you now if I want to send this link to another person to use it, you understand, to populate, the dates and names that it doesn't want to forget. What link am I going to send to the person such that it will not send my own data that I've populated?
You see, you have the Google site URL.
Yeah.
If you send it to anybody now, you have given them the access, not to your own, or their own.
Okay.
Then if you want them to be using the web version, give them that. If they want them to download it on their phone, just send this zip file to them and just show them how to download it, since you have not put it on Google Play. So they can download it already on their phone.
It's okay.
So that they can.
All right.
You can use it.
I will share the one I will do for you. I'll share it with you.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. I need 2 more questions.
Thank you, sir, for today's lesson.
Okay.
Very powerful.
Mr.
So with this app now, if I send it to someone else, since it's not on Play Store, do I get has it been monetized already? Do I get paid, or I need to register it with the paid version before
you can be sending it out now, but for you to be on Play Store, you have to pay them $25, which is forever. That's why I like Play Store. But iOS, I think it's Kazim. How much is iOS? Is it $199? I think it's $199 for iOS, but
I'm not sure, sir.
But with these people with Android, it's $25. With $25, you publish it on their store. Then you make sure you get at least 200 people. Then you approach them for monetization, so that the advert will be played. They have other advert that you can put on, but the one that work fast is the AdMob. It's AdMob, AdMob. That is AdMobile, but it's shortening it to AdMob. That is the Google site. A friend of mine was telling me something here this afternoon. Said his friend want to start this what do we call it? Distributor for breweries. So they said you should go and pay 220 million to get form. It's going to buy truck. It's going to buy a lot of things. So I was now saying, I said, why don't you guys just take 2 million out of all those money and create an app that he will not be carrying me, he will not have problem of police on the road, on everything on the road. So we were just laughing because it's a lot of people. I told you about a boy that created just 2 apps, and this guy was making $600,000 every month. And this is ChatGPT is what I taught you is what he did. No, nothing. He doesn't know anything about coding. You understand? So what we need to do, I want to challenge us tonight, is just think of ideas, of app ideas that you can create. You understand it? You can contact me anytime so that we can rub money together. The app you can create that will be generating money for you. You understand it? So this one, I've told a friend of mine that by the end of, before June, I'll have 50 apps, which is possible. So I'm not going to, I just need to publish them, then begin to, draft traffic to them. You understand it? So this is it's a good business opportunity. We can sit down and think outside the box of the kind of apps that we can do. And when problem comes, that's why you think of app. Yesterday, my president, the lady president of my group, there's somebody that's supposed to remind them of the birthday that I forgot. That's why when I say, when I not get home, I just said, ChatGPT, I'm always forgetting people's birthday. What can we do about it? That's how this one. So you think of problem you can solve with app, then you give it to ChatGPT, the app will come out. If it is an app that is more complicated, so what you just to do, you will use other language like Python, because the first did Python and all of that, and it will teach and it will show you how to compile it also to make it an app. And the good then ChatGPT, when it comes to app creation, I want you to write this thing down. Claude, CLAUDE. Claude is the best, because what I always do is that I will deep think they are making noise about, I put it aside with ChatGPT. Claude will floor every one of them. So what we do here, you can take it to Claude also, and Claude will give you better interface than ChatGPT, because a lot of people know ChatGPT. That's why I taught this class with ChatGPT. Claude, I want you to write it down. CLAUDE. Claude AI is the best in app development. And even if you want to do website, Doctor, the one we are talking about, if you want to do website, that website we are talking about, go to Claude, tell the Claude what we want, and it give you beautiful interface, and your website is ready within 10 minutes. Let me take one more, the last question, and let's close for tonight.
Okay, thank you, Pastor Olayinka. Thank you for your time. Thank you for the knowledge
you are welcome. You are the first
share with us this night. Okay, so from what I could get from this training is you practice on how to create an app. Then you could monetize the app, either you put it on your Play Store or iOS, right, sir? Then you also ensure you drive traffic to your app created, that is, try to advertise it so that as many people as possible can have it downloaded or can use it.
Yes.
Then you give it out for free. So I really do not understand that aspect of giving out for free, and how do you make your money or time back?
So every app generation, everything start with freemium. They call it freemium because you're going to start from free, then you take it to be making. So even it is best for you to give it out free. Like there's the relationship app I'm talking about. A friend of mine from US said we should partner together and that we should do that. But how much are we going to be charging? I said, no, we're not going to charge anything. We're going to make it free. When you make it free, a lot of people will be using it. And then when people will be using it, then as they are using it, Google is putting adverts in front for them to even watch the advert, even just browse over the advert to be counting. You understand it? That's why Facebook and all this, Facebook is free. Nobody pays for Facebook. But the people that are advertising on Facebook, Facebook is making money out of it. That's why they call it freemium. So that you make it free. When you make it free, you have thousands of people downloading it. And when thousands of people downloading it, there's something we call CPM, thousands per view. So they will be paying you for as many people as are, using your app. Google is going to be paying you. And the same thing with YouTube. You see people put free video on YouTube, but no, it's not free. It's not free. It's you watch it for free, but Google is going to pay the content creator because they put adverts. When this thing start rolling, after adverts will start coming, then they will now, when the adverts is coming, we will watch the advert. Even if you skip the advert, but if the advert got to 30 seconds, Google is going to pay those people. So it's the best way to really make money is free more, because we don't want to pay for things, but indirectly you are getting money for them to be using it.
Okay, thank you. I'm not done with my question. So the last question is so how do you get to advertise this app? How do you create awareness for as many people as possible to use it?
The best way to advertise it is just to create. It's easy to create, but you are going to do some work. You don't even need to pay for advert to advertise it. What you need to do is maybe you can create it yourself. I always tell my students on my 30-day challenge that make sure, let's be consistent with what I do. What you need to do is not for that the relationship art that I'm talking about, what we are going to do, we are going to create 1 minute content. We are going to create like 100 content, showcasing the app, So after creating that, I'm giving you a business free that so that you don't be able to pay for advert. So you create 1 minute, maybe funny things, or maybe you see this thing today, my art today, promoting this thing where I use a cartoon. So you create like 100 of those things. Then you 1 minute. Then you put it on TikTok, you put it on Facebook, you put it on X, you put it on which one again? Instagram. So if you create 100 content, that means you have 400 that you are showcasing all over the platforms. You understand it? So that's how you create awareness. And ChatGPT told me something that if I do something, then if you make some money out of it, then you can start paying for adverts. You understand it? But if you don't have money, go to that route. Just create something. Even if you yourself can create it, you can say, I forgot do you know that I forgot my friend's birthday? But, okay, there's an app that I can use. You also go and download that app so that you will not be forgetting people's birthday. A lot of people, they forget birthday. Some people even forget their wife or husband birthday. So it's a very good thing. So we can just publish it. Then that is the way to advertise it, make it known to people, and people are going to download it. So have I answered your question? Hello?
Yes, but it's not, maybe because time is gone. It's not well quite understood anyway.
Okay, you didn't understand it very well.
Mm-hmm. But our time is gone now, so maybe I could just contact you personally.
Yeah.
Get more clarification.
No problem.
Hello, Pastor Inka. Yeah. I have one quick question. So I've downloaded it on my phone. I've run it. It's running. It's working.
That's great.
Is it editable? No, because now I can't see the name of the people that I've added there. So I want to know, is it editable if I want to add more commands and all of that?
Go back to this guy, ChatGPT, and tell ChatGPT that this is the problem I'm having.
Okay.
Yes, that's the only way to do it. Then you now go back to that place to our Google site. Then from Google site, take it down to that guy. That's all.
Okay.
So thank you everybody for coming. I really appreciate you. If you have any question, you can talk to me. Yeah, if you are ready to do your app, then I can.
Sorry, one last question, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So sorry, sir. It's actually how to reach out to you, sir.
All right. Let me leave my.
That's the question, sir. How to reach out to you?
Let me leave my phone number by the chat.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everybody. Let me quickly leave my phone number so you can get in contact with me.
Okay, sir.
So Yo-Yo, you are here tonight. So Kokoni.
My greetings, sir.
Why are you here? How you doing? So that's my number. Please copy my number before I stop. So thank you, everybody, for coming. So Yo-Yo, thank you. I see you. Hope you are not late today.
I came in late, sir. I will watch the video.
Okay, no problem. So the video will be ready tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I'm trying to download Claudia. Apparently, it's not free.
We'll
be expecting the video, sir.
Claudia, that you said that
the video is free. We are not selling the video.
The 14-day trial, the Claudia, the app you said we can download. Classfeed, or what is it called?
The Claude. Use the free version. I always use the free version to do anything.
Okay, I'll look for the free version. This one's a 14-day trial.
Use the web version. Then you will just work for some time. They will not tell you. You come back in 3 hours time. Like ChatGPT, when you are using ChatGPT, when you have said come back in 3 hours, 5 hours time, then you go back 5 hours time.
Okay.
But with you will have done 2 apps before you will not tell you to pay.
Okay.
Great. Yeah. That's what we call freemium. So you use the freemium. Then if you have $20 to spare every month, you can do that. But DeepSeek, this new thing that these guys have brought now, the Chinese, you can use that one free, unlimited.
Okay.
You can use DeepSeek. DeepSeek.com, you can use it unlimited, but their code is always having problem. That means they've not perfected this thing. Chinese, they are just making noise. I've tried some from them. I'm not there. Yeah. Deepseek.com. That one is free forever. So good night, everybody.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Oh, so sorry. I'm joining a bit late, sir. How am I going to get the access to the video, the recording for the meeting tonight?
Are you in the group?
Sir. You sent it to me earlier. You sent the link to me earlier.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
All right. Okay, we'll put the video link on Brand Academics group.
Oh, okay. I'll message you anyway. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir.
Bye. So Yo-Yo, good night.
Azim, good night, sir. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you.